Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Vinayak KS, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Botany, SVS College, Bantwal. So, I'm taking a class on botany. Uh, in the today's video, we'll discuss the syllabus of the botany paper 1. So, for the first semester, you will have the general botany. The syllabus, the paper title is Microbes and the Algae. So I think all of you are well known about the microbes. In the previous classes or in PU, you are already known about the microscopic organs, that may be bacteria, virus, or fungi, so etc. So the same thing that's elaborated in the BSc syllabus. For the first semester, you will have a paper that's a microbes and the algae. You will have a 4 unit. Okay, for the first semester, we'll have 4 unit, that is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. Total 4 unit will be there. So each unit has 12 hours weightage. The first unit is on the general account, that is an introduction to botany, branches of botany, and the scope of botany. Apart from that, you will also study the contributions of Indian botanists like J.C. Bose, P. Maheshwari, B.G.L. Swami, and also the Birbal Sahani, Janaki Ammal, M.S. Swaminathan. So like that, you will study the some Indian botanist to contribution to the Indian botany. So like that, you will have a Whitaker's 5 kingdom system of classification with some examples. And in the second chapter, you will study the virus, viroids, and the prions. Just a general characteristic of virus you will study in this chapter, and you will also study the classification based on the host and nature of the genetic material. Only you will study regard to the viruses, and you will study the TME structure, and also the multiplication you will study it, and some viral diseases like bunchy top of banana, tobacco mosaic disease, and yellow mosaic diseases of bean, you will study it. And in the viroids, you will study the structure, symptoms, and control measures of particular diseases like potato spindle tuber diseases. And also you will study the general account on prions. Also you will study the phytoplasma in general account, and you will study the 2 diseases like a leaf of little leaf of brinjal and sandal spike diseases. So that you will study in the unit 1. So unit 1 mainly focusing on the general account of the botany, structure of virus, viroid prions, and also the phytoplasma. So this is overall 12 hours chapter. In the second unit, we will study the bacteria and continue with the algae. The bacteria, you will study the types of cell morphology, flagellation, and mode of nutrition, and ultrastructure of the bacterial cell, reproduction, types of reproduction, and economic importance of the bacteria, that's a beneficial and the harmful aspects. And you will study the some diseases like crown gall diseases, citrus cancers diseases, and the symptom control measures we will study in this chapter. That continue with the second unit, that's the algae. All of you know about the algae. They are the autotrophic organisms. They grow in various habitat like aquatic, terrestrial, and other habitat also. We will study with the different example, that's a chlorella, chlamydomonas, and volvax. So like that, you will taking the example with the different habitat you will study in this. And also we will study the general method of reproduction. Vegetative methods are fragmentation, and asexually by the endospore, exospore, and zoospores. So like that you will study the different groups. And in a third unit, that you continue with the first unit, that is types of cycles algae. That is you will also study the Fritsch classification of the algae with examples. So usually the Fritsch system is based on a pigmented occur in algae, so based on that they have classified, so that you will study in the third unit. And you will also going to the different groups of the algae. That is the first group is a, that is a myxomycetes. We will study the ultrastructure. Generally myxomycetes are called as blue green algae. They will study the cyanobacterial cells with the taking example of Nostoc, Oscillatoria, Cytonema and the Leocaspa. So that continue with the next classes, that's the chlorophyce. In that you will study the chara only. Classification, thallus, structure and reproduction of the chara, study in chlorophyce. In unit 4 you will study the xanthophyce. So classification, structure and reproduction of the Wacheria. And in the Basiloophyce, usually diatoms are well known as the Basiloophyce. And we will study the structure reproduction of the few diatoms like Navicula and Pinularia, so we will study it. And another group, that is a Phaeophyce, that is a brown algae. So usually classes of the classification with thallus, structure, reproduction of the Sargassum, we will study it. And Rhodophyce, that's a red algae. So in that chapter you will study the same thing, the classification, thallus, structure and reproduction of the Polysiphonia. And the last concept, that's the economic importance of algae. Useful, that is a single cell protein or food, industrial applications, sewage treatment. So harmful aspects also will study in that concept overview. So usually the chapter in this concept first usually comes with the microbes, that is a virus, bacteria, and that continue with the algae. In the algae we'll study the different classes of algae, that's especially focusing on the green algae, blue green algae, yellow and brown color brown algae will study it. Apart from that they will have a blue green algae also, that's a chlorophyce, xanthophyce, basiloophyce, phaeophyce, rhodophyce and myxophyce. We will study all these classes of the algae with the taking example. In chlorophyce we will study the chara, xanthophyce we will study the Wacheria, and in basiloophyce we will study the Naviculea, and Phaeophyce we will study the Sargassum, Rhodophyce we will study the Polysiphonia. So like that you will have a 4 unit for this semester. Each unit have a 12 hours weightage. Will study, and these are the some books so you can refer for the studying of this first paper, that's a microbes and algae. So you can refer that's microbiology Dubey. And also best book is the college botany by Sundar Rajan. So that's a good book for the um, to understand easy understanding of the concept. And apart from that, so you can refer other books also, and BP Pandey, and also the S Chan publication books for studying, or you can study the Vasista for the algae. So like that, so you can refer some of the books and you can get the concept very easily. So this is how the overview of the syllabus for this semester. I hope you will get the syllabus overview. So in the next video we will start with the syllabus. So thank you for the listening.